Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Sprout skin in Snake.io. The Sprout skin gives your snake a fresh green look in Snake.io, making your gaming session more fun and visually distinct. So in order to unlock the Sprout skin for your snake in Snake.io, open the Snake.io game on your device and you'll be greeted with this interface. Once you get to this interface, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Edit Snake in the bottom center. Now this will show you various different snakes you can unlock. Go ahead and choose this green one over here and make sure that it is labeled as Sprout. And once you do that, in order to unlock this snake, you'll need to play a total of 35 games. Since now I have played only 4 games, so in order to unlock the snake, you'll need to play all the games that has been mentioned over here. So if you've not reached your destination yet, make sure to complete that in order to unlock the particular snake. Each snake has different level of completion you'll need to make. So for a Sprout snake, you'll need to complete total of 35 games. So I'm just gonna go head over and play my game so that I can reach to 35 and unlock the Sprout skin. You can do the same as well. So that's how you will be able to unlock your Sprout skin on Snake.io. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.